Hello. Subscribe to my channel. I will provide information about healthcare on my channel. Today I will talk about the benefits of walnuts. Nut, an indispensable vitamin. Walnuts are one of the fruits that begin to ripen towards the end of October. It was probably named so because the seed was imported from Greece. According to scientists, adding peanuts, cashews and Brazil nuts to your daily diet can reduce your risk of heart disease by 30%. Walnut invigorates the kidneys, cleanses the lungs, moistens the intestines, and is also useful for body weakness, back pain, dizziness, and ringing in the ears. For this, crush 600 grams of walnuts and 300 grams of black beans, mix with honey and drink twice a day. As it is now, when the sun starts to get cold, children have sore throats and coughs. It is better if you make medicine from walnuts. 500 grams of ground walnuts and 300 grams of honey, 100 grams of aloe and juice of 4 lemons should be squeezed. If you mix these well and give them to your child half an hour before meals 3 times a day with a teaspoon, it will chase away cough and reverse bronchitis. In addition, it also gets rid of the cold that invaded the body. According to experts, walnut kernels contain 55 to 77% fat, 18 to 21% protein, 5 to 6% carbohydrates, vitamin B1 and provitamin A. It also contains 1500–1200 micrograms of vitamin C. It is thanks to these vitamins that walnuts can prevent colds. Walnut has the ability to strengthen brain function. It is said that a person who eats 1 to 2 walnuts on an empty stomach every morning will be alert and attentive. Walnut oil can be used against inflammation, atherosclerosis and coronary heart disease, and even against cancer. This oil, which does not put soul before the restoration of the body, is even wonderful if it is used after many operations and diseases. It is possible to crush walnuts and apply oil in case of various skin wounds, burns, large wounds that do not heal, and skin cracks. If the ground grain is mixed with honey in an equal amount and eaten 3 to 4 times a day, 25 to 30 grams, it will increase the children's immunity and give them strength. It is very useful for pregnant women and people with anemia. This mixture can be used for hypertension, anemia, atherosclerosis, liver, kidney, stomach, cardiovascular diseases, as well as to increase work and mental capacity. In fact, not only the nut itself, but also the leaves, young roots, and even the thin wall that separates the grain can be an irreplaceable infusion for improving health. However, all this is not enough to eat mixed with honey. For example, a person who drinks 30 grams 3 times a day for 2 to 3 months without a break, boils for 1 to 2 minutes in half a liter of water, boils for 1 to 2 minutes, and drinks 30 grams 3 times a day for 2 to 3 months. Recent studies have shown that consuming 1 serving of walnuts per day can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Also, nuts have 10% benefit in preventing cancer. According to the researchers, useful substances contained in walnuts help the body get rid of cholesterol, that is, reduce the risk of various diseases. Experts advise to use more nuts. Walnut is a perennial fruiting plant. It grows in Central Asia and the Caucasus. It blooms in the middle of April, and the fruit ripens in September. In folk medicine, its roots, seeds, bark, and leaves have been used since ancient times to treat many diseases.